Welcome back to Beck. Today we're going to replace the transmission pan on my dad's front loader. Tried using RTV to seal it up and it just didn't quite work enough, so he was good with just getting another pan, which played havoc trying to use Google and part stores. So anyway, pan showed up and I dropped it off to him last night. Ordered a transmission pan gasket for it. Should be in today. So now we're headed to his house and eventually the part store to get the pan gasket, install this, and hopefully be done with it leaking. Made it. So my dad gave me a call. Part's gonna arrive in about 30 minutes, so he's gonna pick that up because he's already in town. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get some lunch and just come back and wait. Well, got lunch. Getting ready to go back and do this transmission pan. I was inside there and got to interact with a guy. Today's Sunday. Guess he's been up since Thursday. Yeah, I don't know what would help somebody stay up for 4 days, but new shiny pan with a drain plug. Put this high dollar pan on this low cost loader. This one on this side pulled through or something.
I think the one's here in the back.
Yep, that's better. Now I can torque it. So I drew them up, and the only one that is possible question is that one hitting that casting, but we're gonna try it. Try it. Probably.